Hello friends, is your check engine light on? Is your car struggling with fuel efficiency or failing emissions tests? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0427, then you're in the right place. This error code is related to the catalyst temperature sensor, which plays a critical role in monitoring your catalytic converter's efficiency. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor engine performance, excessive emissions, and even potential damage to your exhaust system. In this video, I'll explain what P0427 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0427? The P0427 error code stands for Catalyst Temperature Sensor Low Input, Bank 1. The catalyst temperature sensor measures the temperature of the catalytic converter to ensure it's operating correctly. If the sensor provides a signal that is too low or inconsistent, the ECU triggers P0427 because it can't properly monitor the catalyst's performance. Common symptoms of P0427 are check engine light on, reduced fuel efficiency, strong exhaust smell or increased emissions, engine hesitation or sluggish acceleration, and failed emissions test. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components involved in this fault. Alright, let's dive into where you can find the catalyst temperature sensor and its related components. First up, the catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system, nestled between the exhaust manifold and the muffler. Now, the catalyst temperature sensor is installed directly on or near the catalytic converter itself. Moving on, the upstream oxygen sensor, also known as O2 sensor 1, is typically located before the catalytic converter, usually in the exhaust manifold. Meanwhile, the downstream oxygen sensor, O2 sensor 2, is found after the catalytic converter, and it measures the efficiency of the exhaust gases. Lastly, the wiring and fuses for the catalyst sensor are typically located in the engine bay fuse box or along the exhaust system wiring harness. Here's a handy tip for you. Sensor locations can vary quite a bit based on the vehicle's make and model. So, it's always a good idea to check your service manual for the precise details. Now let's talk about some common causes of the P0427 error code. First, a faulty catalyst temperature sensor can be a culprit. If the sensor fails or gives weak signals, the ECU might detect low input and trigger that P0427 code. Next, wiring issues like corroded, frayed, or damaged wires can prevent the sensor from sending the correct signals. Exhaust system leaks, especially if there's a leak before or around the catalytic converter, can affect the sensor's temperature readings too. A faulty catalytic converter, whether it's damaged or just inefficient, can also lead to incorrect temperature readings. Lastly, don't overlook a blown fuse or faulty relay. If power to the catalyst temperature sensor is cut off, it may result in low input signals. Alright, so how do we go about fixing the P0427 error code? Well, let's dive right in and take a closer look at the tools and equipment you'll need. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0427 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate the catalyst temperature sensor and inspect its wiring and connectors for any damage. Step 3. Test the catalyst temperature sensor using a multimeter. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 4. Check for exhaust leaks near the catalytic converter. Repair any leaks. Step 5. Inspect the catalytic converter for damage or clogging that could cause temperature issues. Step 6. Verify the fuses and relays related to the catalyst sensor and replace them if necessary. Step 7. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive your car. The P0427 error code can lead to poor fuel economy, excessive emissions, and engine performance problems. If you see this code, make sure to inspect the catalyst temperature sensor, catalytic converter, and oxygen sensors for faults. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0136, Oxygen Sensor Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1, Sensor 2, and P0137, O2 Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, Bank 1, Sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.